This is the most awesome wilderness building. In order to have a mansion of their own, the man spent 8 days and 8 nights here. He created himself a swimming pool with his bare hands. This is Bao who won a quarrel with his daughter-in-law. His reward was a life in the wild. After he cleared a clearing, the speed of light brings a lot of building materials. Then Bao began to punch holes in the ground, then cut the wood to the right length into the cave as the backbone of the house. Subsequently, he used rattan to bind the frame of the house. As expected of an experienced old driver, skilled. 3 down 5 divided by 1. Get the main structure done. Then Bao used bamboo slices on the roof. Tie a ball shape. The walls of the house, he ties them up with sticks in an orderly fashion. As for the sides of the gate, he also made nice door frames. After the framework is completed, Bao picked up the mud. So what he does is he paves the soil in the room. Then use both hands and feet. It churns out a pile of clay with hay in it. Then apply it evenly on the frame of the house. Everything must be polished smooth and translucent. Certainly, the furniture required for daily life must be arranged in place. Bao is not only skilled in building, and so much for carving. I have to say this guy is awesome. If you think he's great too, you might as well like and support him. This gate is also very layered to enhance the appearance of the house. Bao chiseled up the outer wall again. I really admire his hands. On the other hand, I'm afraid your hands can only be used to wipe your buttocks. With this technology, I don't know if he will accept apprentices. The gate is across the small steps. The house was instantly upgraded to another level. Subsequently, Bao made gold paint with an ancestral secret recipe. Painted all over the house. However, because a pigment is too monotonous, Bao went to find various color dyes again. Continue painting work. This color match is really amazing. Beautiful word. For so long, hungry too. Bao caught a wild duck in the wild. Life pass. After the physical strength is replenished, dug up the empty in front of the door. Excess dirt he threw away with his small hands. Bao repeated the action like this. It's easy to dig the pool out. Bao who pursues perfection. Of course, the pool will also be chiseled with bumps and bumps. To light it up at night with torches, he set torches around the pool. Set the stake in the middle of the torch rack. After connecting it all with bamboo slices, clay on top of batter. It's just 2 pairs of exquisite guardrails for the waterproofing of the pool. After he joins Ollie Point with the pulp of his nest shell, you get the wild kettle. With his little white hands, paint cement all over the pool. Certainly, the appearance of the swimming pool also needs to be arranged in place. And finally, the water in the pool. Bao picked up the chamber pot. Fly to the pool again and again. I don't know how long it's been. The water finally fills up. Bao also swam happily.